You're a nursing student looking for the best college program. You might have found that some nursing schools ask their candidates to have passed the TEAS exam. If you are not sure what it is, the first thing you need to know is that the TEAS exam is critical if you want to enter the best nursing colleges. In this video, you'll learn what the TEAS is about, how it works, how you can prepare for it, how much it costs, and other questions you need to know before taking it. We'll leave all the important links in the description. So, the test of essential academic skills, or TEAS, is an exam offered by the company ATY that tests the skills and knowledge of its participants. It works as a verification that proves you have the skills required to perform well in certain nursing schools. Many colleges include this test as a mandatory requirement for their candidates to enter. In total, there are 170 questions divided into 4 different sections. The first is reading, which has 45 questions and tests the integration of knowledge and ideas. Then we have English and language usage, which consists of 37 questions and tests your knowledge of English language and how you use it to express ideas in writing. Third, there is science, with 50 questions that evaluate concepts of physiology, human anatomy, biology, and scientific reasoning. And finally, math has 38 questions and tests numbers, algebra, measurement, and data. Even though it's a proctored exam, you can either take it online, at your chosen institution, or in a PSI testing location. However, it's critical that you first check with the nursing school you plan to apply to how they want you to take the exam before registering. There are many study guides you can use. One of the most recommended is the one that ATI provides. It includes all the required TEAS reading material, practice exams, and additional practice questions, but can be a bit pricey. Prices go from $80 to $260. But of course, you can find many other options for less. Mometrix charges $70 per month for its study guide and also includes flashcards, video lessons, and practice questions. You can also find guides and study resources for free on Google and YouTube, but you'll have to do more research to find everything you need. Next, we are answering the big question: how much does the TEAS cost? It depends on where you take it. If you are planning on taking the exam online or at a PSI location, it will cost $150. However, there may also be additional fees that vary from school to school. Here are 5 quick things you need to know about the TEAS. First, it doesn't have a standardized score. How much you have to score depends on the nursing school you want to apply for, but on average, you'll have to score at least between 60 and 75%. Second, you don't have to bring a calculator. You'll have a drop-down calculator built into the test, or if you are taking the exam in person, the proctor will provide you with one. Third, you can't reschedule unless you have an emergency. If you are taking the exam online or at your educational institution, you'll have to send proof of your emergency, a brief description of what happened, and 2 alternate dates and times when you could take the exam. Fourth, you can take the TEAS again if you fail it. It's likely that you'll have to wait, as some schools have a mandatory 30-day period before you can try taking the exam one more time. Still, you need to check this with your school and see if they have a limit on how many times you can take it. And finally, you'll receive your results almost immediately. Your transcripts will be sent electronically to your institution within 2 hours of your submission, and you can check your grades later by going to My Results in your ATY account. So, choose a study guide, start preparing, and take the TEAS exam to kick off your nursing career in the best way. Remember to visit our website for more information, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. If there are any questions you still have, make sure to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. We hope you have a better idea of how the TEAS exam works. If you're a nursing student, be sure to check out which are the best scholarships for you, or learn which are the best MSN programs you can apply for with a low GPA.